In a typical integration environment, the user enters the transaction in an external system. The transactions entered in the external system are integrated into Oracle Fusion using an integration user. Using the integration mode preference, the administrator can enable a similar setup in the simplified loader template. When the integration mode is enabled, users log into the simplified loader template using their login credentials. When transacting with Oracle Fusion, the simplified loader template would use the login credentials of the common integration user. To enable the integration mode, the administrator would need the login credentials of an integration user. Navigate to the admin panel. Select the environment for which you wish to enable the integration mode. Enter the integration username and password. Click the button below to get the code to enable the integration mode. In the integration mode window, Simplified Loader displays a unique code based on the details entered in the admin panel. Copy the code and add it as a preference in the description field. Save the lookup type. This completes the setup of the integration mode preference. When the user logs in next time, any operation performed by the user will use the login credentials of the integration user.